Stop doing these 3 common facial exercises immediately. You might be aging your skin 10 years faster. I see so many influencers teaching face yoga all wrong, and they are literally carving wrinkles into their followers' faces. If you aren't following a proper method, you are damaging your collagen.
Welcome to Daniele Lima Method.
Mistake 1. Moving without anchoring. The number 1 mistake is creating secondary wrinkles. This happens when you try to exercise one muscle but don't stabilize the skin around it. For example, lifting the eyebrows but wrinkling the forehead, or toning the cheeks but squinting the eyes. In my method, we use our hands to lock the skin. If you see a line forming while you move, you are doing it wrong. You are training a wrinkle into your face. Always use your fingers as a splint. Mistake number 2, training the depressors. Your face has 2 types of muscles. Elevators, which pull up, and depressors, which pull down. Most people accidentally train the muscles that pull the face toward the floor. If you are clenching your jaw or tightening your neck while doing exercises, you are helping gravity win. We must learn to relax the lower face while we activate the upper face. Tension is the enemy of a youthful glow. Mistake number 3, ignoring the scalp and neck. Your face doesn't end at your jawline. The muscles of your face are connected to your scalp and your back through fascia. If your neck is tight from looking at your phone all day, it is physically pulling your face down. You can't have a lifted face with a tight, hunched neck. Face yoga is a full head and neck approach. Anything else is just a temporary mask. Don't risk your skin with random videos. You need a mentor who understands facial anatomy to guide your form. Click the link in the description to join my personalized programs and train safely. Have you been making any of these mistakes? Let's fix it together in the comments. And remember, if you train your body at the gym, train your face the same way.